With BIGVU, I make professional videos with just a smartphone. Quality lighting is vital if you want to create a slick and professional video. While filming, we tend to move, which can cause the smartphone to adjust its exposure levels and change the lighting around you. With BIGVU, you can simply lock your phone's exposure setting during filming. Here's a few additional pointers to optimize your lighting levels. To avoid high contrasts, never stand in the shade when it's sunny around you. Always ensure there's sufficient light on your face. After all, you are the video's main focus. Ideally, film outside on a cloudy day or early morning if it's sunny. If you need to film inside, don't shoot in front of a window or a dark corner. Follow these simple tips will give you flawless lighting every time.